Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Soql in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we need to do is just to run a developer console instance so you can start using your SOQL queries in Salesforce. So now we need just to go to the setup menu. From here, we can identify our developer console. And simply from here, you can already find the query editor where you can start entering your SOQL queries. And you can simply test and we can click on execute to start executing your query. And you can just, for example, select accounts or from accounts, for example, and we can just execute. And now we have some error parsing. And basically, those are just some example of queries. And this is how you can do it. Another thing that you can do to start querying from SOQL is by just simply opening the resource, and from there you can let's just go to the manager or open, and from here we can go to objects and we can choose any objects that you would like, for example attachments, and from here we can start querying from the attachment objects and go to the editor. So let's go now and delete this part. And basically, when you choose any object, it will start querying from it directly. So from here, you can start adding any type of queries and execute it from here. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.